This is a beginner-friendly pre-cut unit from Nadula. Keep watching for all the deets. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So dolls, I have hopefully a quick and easy video for you guys. I got a new unit from Nadula. Let's look at it. The inside of the box says, don't quit, don't stop, don't give up, keep it moving. Almost sound like that song. Keep on moving, don't stop, no, keep on moving. Oh wait, it says keep it moving. So you could say that either one or two ways. It could be like, keep it moving. Or you could say, keep it moving. Whichever mood you in, let's go for it. Okay, so let's see. It has a wig bag. Now y'all know Nadula always comes through with the gifts. I don't usually show y'all what be in the package because I mean, like, who cares? I mean, I guess some of y'all care, but Nadula, I'm gonna say out of everybody who sent the gifts, I feel like they have given the best gifts. And let's start with this robe. They gave me one of these already. I don't know where it's at. I'm so happy they sent another one. Let me go ahead and put it on. Okay, Nadula, get me right, get me right. They also sent a melting belt, a wig cap. That's a different type of brand. Let's see what else. Ooh, can you tell I love getting gifts? I really don't even care what the gift is. I like giving gifts. I just like to be thought of. Another melting cap. They sent me two. Some lashes. And let's see what this is. Ooh. Travel makeup brush. Okay, come through, Nadula. Okay, that's how you get somebody prepared to put on your unit, all right? Now let's see if the unit is gonna live up to the gifts. Let's take a look at it. Okay, looks like we got a pre-cut lace unit. Okay, this is gonna be the second time I've had one. I only had one once before and I absolutely loved it because yo, anything that makes my life easy, y'all already know I'm rocking with it. Okay, so this is 24-inch body weight. Let's look at the cap construction. Ooh, they look like they got a breathable cap with the adjustable elastic band. And it looks like it's a closure. This looks like a 6x4. Yeah, so it's 6 inches across, 4 to the back, or 4.5, 4 or 4.5, whatever it is. I'm gonna put it across the screen. Y'all know I'm really partial to my 6 inches, but I guess. Oh, and they look like they also have the piano key attachment for the elastic band, so hopefully this means that it will be a more comfortable fit. Let's go ahead and prepare this unit and try it on. First, let's take a look at the lace. Okay, as y'all can see, these knots are not bleached, so I'm not about to bleach them, at least not right now. If I do bleach it later, I'll come back and show y'all, but right now, no. So what we gonna do is we gonna add some lace tinting spray. I haven't used my lace tinting spray in a while. I'm gonna use my Even New York lace tinted spray in medium dark brown. Haven't used it in a while. Shake it, shake it, shake it. All right, now I'm just gonna spray it on the lace. Hopefully I don't get anything on here. No matter what, I always will be true. This is what it looks like, and as you guys can see, this lace already came pre-cut. It looks a little better, however you can still see the knots. So before I try this on, I am going to change this into a side part. Even though this is a closure unit, you still have the versatility to change it from a middle to a side part. You are going to get 6 inches of lace in the front, so that means you're going to have 6 inches of depth to go on either side of the middle to make you a side part. Although the part to the back is shorter than I normally use, the 4.5 inches did end up sufficing for what I needed. So I did decide to throw some light layers in this unit, nothing too major, just simply because I did want to add some curls to it. And you guys know that I personally believe that layered hair curls and falls a lot nicer. So of course you guys know I'm going to flat iron the top of this unit. That goes without saying. I don't care if this is a throw on and go unit or not. You're never going to catch Asia throwing on and going with any unit without running a hot comb through those roots. And I suggest you guys do the same. Okay, now I'm going to try the unit on. So I had the bright idea. I don't know if you guys have seen that they sell tinted mousse. So of course, you know, I'm queen DIY. So I'm like, okay, why buy tinted mousse? I have tint. Let me go ahead and make my own tinted mousse. At least that was that was my concept. Not really sure if I executed on it properly, but this is my first time giving it a try. I'm going to give it another go at it. And this one ended up turning out okay. So you'll see shortly after I take the elastic band off how it turned out. So you want to let the elastic band sit on your head for about 5 to 10 minutes for any of the melting to take place. So while I'm doing that, I am adding my concealer to the parting space since I didn't bleach these knots, just to cover up those knots that were still visible. Now that I've waited the allotted time, I took the elastic band off, and I don't know, you guys tell me, do you think that this lace is blended? I don't know. I was just like really looking at this hairline. Now, I'm gonna be honest, in person, the hairline looked like it was blending, but once I went and I looked at the tape, I could see the lace. One thing I do like about this unit is even though it's a closure unit, I still have the flexibility to wear it behind my ear. You know, you could still wear it as if you would a full frontal without anybody being the wiser. Even though it came pre-cut, I said, nah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Now for this lace, I was really trying not to cut the lace and leave it as a throw on and go. However, the lace just was not blending. It felt like it was too much extra lace left on the unit. So I did go ahead and I cut the lace a little bit shorter, and that did help it blend a little bit more. Unfortunately, when I put it on the second time, I was ready to go. So I wasn't letting it melt for about 15 minutes. So it didn't get to melt as long as I needed it to. However, I do suggest trimming the lace down just a little bit, because I personally feel like the less lace you have on your unit, the easier it is for you to blend. Just my 2 cents. You guys let me know what y'all think. Now this unit starts at $99, so it's very affordable. You might have to put in a little bit of work. It might not be as throw on and go as you would like. However, I do feel that with Nadula units, the quality is comparable, justified to the price. Okay. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. This is supposed to be one of those throw on and goes. I did end up cutting the lace more. I still don't know if it blends right now. I don't have my computer, so fingers crossed that it's blending, okay? But you will have to bleach the knots. At least I did. I felt like the concealer wasn't camouflaging it enough for my liking. I'm gonna stand up really quick so you guys can see where this falls on me. Not really sure of the density, but as you guys can see, this unit was very full. I am getting a little bit of shedding with this unit. Nothing crazy, but I am getting some shedding. I'm not really sure if they have a coupon code. If they do, I'm going to go ahead and put that across the screen and also have it in the description box down below. But guys, y'all already know before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, hit that subscribe button and join the family. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure you check out this video. You might enjoy it as well. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.